it's Eugenia. So today I'm going to be doing another one of those videos where I try to do another person's makeup tutorial. I was so excited when I saw this because I was watching the Gabbie show and she made a video actually trying out my makeup. And this was like back when I used to like do like the super extreme, like wicked like raccoon eye makeup. It was like extremely black. And yeah, it's really crazy. Like whenever I look back at like my old videos, I'm not gonna lie, I will like cringe at myself like extremely hard. But I so loved what Gabbie did with the video. I think she's awesome and I think she's so funny. And also like just like the way that she did my makeup there, I feel like she's just such an emo queen. I feel like she slayed it. She pulled it off perfectly. She honestly looked a lot better in it than I probably did. But yeah, it really like inspired me to do a Gabbie show makeup tutorial. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try to follow along to one of Gabbie's tutorials. So I went onto YouTube and I tried to find some Gabbie show makeup tutorials and I found this one that is a natural look makeup tutorial. So yeah, I'm gonna follow along to her tutorial and hopefully it's gonna look good. Hopefully on me, we'll see.
People who want to see a makeup tutorial from me. I think that it's important that everybody embraces their natural beauty. So I'm going to give
that is a good thing to do. As like my makeup isn't natural at all. So it's gonna be natural.
The first thing we're gonna do, you really want to
okay. I don't normally do this, but I guess we're gonna do this. Okay, this is gonna be so different for me because see, normally I don't really do this like too natural, like my makeup. Like you can see like especially like and whoa, this is weird. This is like colored moisturizer. I'm actually just borrowing a moisturizer from my mom because I actually don't think I have a moisturizer. It does feel nice though. It smells really nice. Seems like a really good step to do. I can't tell if Gabbie put it all over her face or just like certain sections. I'm just gonna be careful though and put this all over my face, I guess. It's just moisturizer, so like once you blend it in, I don't really think it's too colored anymore, so that's probably good. Okay, so now my face is moisturized. So what do I do now?
Pore filler, because pores this size.
Wait, pore filler.
That's not natural.
That I don't have.
A little bit of that and smear it into your face.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use, this is probably totally, this is not about pore filler. I guess I'm just gonna use concealer, which is probably nothing like pore filler at all. Hopefully it will work. I don't really know exactly where she put it on because I feel like she's going really fast, which is really good she's able to do that. I feel like I'm too slow though, but I'm trying. I don't really think this concealer is really working as a pore filler, but I'm just gonna make it work. So that was my equivalent to pore filler. I don't really think that probably was do the same thing, but that's what I have, so that's what I'm using. Okay, next thing. Now what do I do?
Use some concealer.
Oh wow, I just used concealer. Whoops.
All of our imperfections.
Okay.
Pimples, that
Oh, Gabbie does not have imperfections
We're just gonna
though.
give ourselves a nice, natural, beautiful,
Very natural.
shot look. We're gonna take a brush and we're just gonna go ahead and blend that in. If you don't blend it in all the way, it's not gonna look natural.
So I'm just gonna put this like everywhere pretty much. I think she just kind of put it like on her face. I feel like I am like failing at this so badly. I think she put it there, right? See, I don't even really normally wear concealer. I guess I'm more natural than I thought. Foundation, okay.
But it's still gonna look pretty natural because I'm Middle Eastern and I'm supposed to be.
Alright, so it looks like she's just kind of using a beauty blender. So I guess I'm just now going to put foundation on. It looked like she just kind of used a sponge. Here, I'm just gonna like go make my beauty blender like damp real quick. I don't know if hers was damp, but I always like damp mine. So I'm just gonna go wet this real quick. I'm just gonna try to apply it the same way. See, hers look like a different kind of sponge, so I don't know if this is gonna work right. And it just kind of looks like she was just kind of doing like sweeping motions, kind of. Okay, foundation is on now.
Top all that off with Bare Minerals. As you all know, Bare
So is this
Minerals
powder?
is all natural makeup.
I think she just used powder. Now I'm just gonna do that same thing and just kind of like put some powder on. Here it is. All right, so I think now we're just setting this super natural look in. Just like natural. It's looking great and very natural. There we go. Okay.
We're going to bronze our faces.
Bronzer, alright.
So it literally cannot look any more natural. This is a little bit too dark for me because it is my summer color.
Everything's always too dark for me.
Outside in a few days. It's just restoring my natural skin tone. Like, I'm Lebanese. I'm supposed to be tan. It's all good. If it doesn't match exactly, it'll be fine.
Well, that's good, because like almost nothing will match me exactly. So I don't know if like for me, if I even really should be doing this, because I'm actually naturally like very pale. Still, like since this is part of the tutorial, I'm just gonna do the same thing. It looks like she's just kind of putting it everywhere. So it looks like she just kind of put it on like everywhere. I guess I'm just gonna also put bronzer on everywhere. So it's gonna look, I guess like today I have like a natural kind of tan. So I don't really know if like on me this is gonna look too natural. And it's me if I actually had a tan in like natural ways.
I'm gonna take my blush. Now,
okay, blush.
Is natural? I'm gonna tell you why we wear blush. Whenever we get aroused or stimulated, our cheeks flush with blood and turn red.
And that's a natural thing, right?
I want to recreate that natural blood flow to the face. And when I'm sunburned or after the gym, then I'm always really red. And that's all natural. That just happens.
That's a natural thing. So I normally actually do not even wear blush. So once again, I don't know if on me this will look too natural, but that's okay. I'm actually gonna be borrowing, once again, my mom's blush here. Is it even going on? Yeah, if I see it, there is color. Why does it not show on the brush? Well, I don't know. Hopefully it's on there. There. Yeah, wow. Okay, let me, I'm just trying to like blend that. Wow, why did I just do that? I just wanted to make sure it was working though. We'll just kind of blend these blushes together. Oh wow, what was I even talking about? You can definitely see that.
Take this illuminator.
Okay, I don't know if I have that. I have highlighter though.
That's really gonna bring out the natural shape.
Oh wow, a lot of highlight. Okay, well I love highlighters, so I guess I'm cool with doing a lot of highlighter. That's not normally really where I put my highlighter normally, but on Gabbie it does look really pretty. I guess I'm just gonna take a highlighter. Hopefully that is like the equivalent to an illuminator, and try to put it on the same sections that she did, and hopefully just look really nicely, naturally highlighted. Whoa, okay, I feel like on me that is not looking too natural. And it looks like she also highlighted her forehead a little bit, so yeah, just trying to do the same thing. Such a natural look, right?
Moving on, we're going to do our eyes.
Yay! My favorite part. Oh, I have a naked palette too. Mine's a smoky one, but that's okay.
You started off with a gold primer. I like a little bit of
That sounds really pretty.
get a little shimmery.
I don't have a gold primer though.
From reality. Oh yeah.
I guess I'm just gonna have to use a little bit of like gold eyeshadow as a primer, and I'm also just gonna use like a regular primer. This is something gonna be really weird. See, this looks like a similar shade here, so that's what I'm gonna do. It's called Dirty Sweet. It is kind of goldish. I wouldn't normally apply this with my finger, but I'm using it as like a primer.
It's going to put some neutral tones on our eyelids.
That's cool.
Kick that on.
Wait, which tones do we use? Okay, I'm not sure which color she used, but I guess I'm just gonna try to do the same thing and use some of the really light colors. Hopefully this is gonna work. She said just to kind of cake it on, so I guess I'm just gonna try to like cake it on. Here are my natural tones so far.
Take a smaller brush. I'm going to fill the crease in our eyes.
This has a
Shadows
smaller
are
side.
natural, and this is going to give you the illusion of
Oh, we're doing the
shadow.
crease now. So I guess they're gonna start with kind of like a brown, so I can do that. Let me get like a crease brush. And then here it's gonna fill in the crease. So here's the smaller brush I'm using.
Piece of paper or
Black?
wax, and I just
Cool.
put it right here on
Oh,
the
that's a cool way to
and
do
then
it. I've never done it like
put
this.
the black right in the crease. And then when you pull away, it's a perfect little triangle.
Wow!
A little bit on my face.
That's so cool.
Natural. But mistakes are natural. The important
True.
thing here is just make sure you blend it, because if you don't blend it, then it's just not gonna look natural.
I've never done this. It's gonna be my very first try. This is hard. She made it look so easy. I'm like, how do I do this? Here's my black. I feel like hers looks blacker. I should have the blackest eyeshadow. Look how black like my old tutorial is. There, I think that works.
Now we're going to put a little bit of white on the eyebrow.
Okay, put the white on my eyebrow.
You're also going to want to put a little bit of white in the corners to give your eye
Okay.
a naturally exotic shape.
Do I look like naturally exotic now?
Favorite part is eyeliner.
Me too.
Naturally, you want your eyes to be
Yes,
bigger.
eyeliner's the
I use a
best.
felt tip liquid pen.
I don't have that. I'll use y'all, I guess.
We're going to use that for our eyeliner as well. We're going to start at the tear duct. Connect this line to your tear duct.
Wow, okay.
The next
Oh, I can relate to that. There's so many days where eyeliner can be so easy to mess up. Not that hers looks messed up at all. Hers looks great. I don't think I've ever used this method of eyeliner before, so this is my first try. There, that's not too bad, right? And I'm assuming we just kind of like fill it in. That actually is a pretty good technique. I actually feel like that worked pretty well.
Do is apply your mascara.
Does that mean we're not gonna curl our lashes? Okay, well my eyelashes are naturally really straight. Sorry if my eyelashes don't look good during this part. I have to follow the tutorial, so plus I guess that is more natural anyway. I guess I'm just gonna have to do the same thing. I'm gonna have to like shake it here and drag it up, I guess. I don't have fiber lashes. I used to. Can I just use fake lashes? That would happen to me sometimes too though. It was really painful.
Just because it's not natural on me doesn't mean it's not natural on somebody else. And don't grow in properly, so I have to draw them in.
Oh wow, I already have really thick brows. Do I need to do this?
I'm gonna take my angled
Okay, so I guess I just gotta comb them up.
and I'm going to take a eyebrow colored eyeshadow. See what? That's what they're supposed to
Oh,
look
so
like.
wait, I have to put eyeshadow in there? I guess I'm gonna follow this though and actually try putting a little bit of eyeshadow in to make these look like the tutorial. So I guess I'll just get the black since I have really dark eyebrows and it'll probably be the closest match. Alright, so my brows might be looking a little bit crazy now. I tried to be really careful with filling them in though, just because my brows are already kind of crazy.
One thing to do is lips are really
Okay,
tricky
lips.
for a natural look because you can use a color like this that is not natural, or you can use a color
Yes,
like
that's
this
not too
that
natural.
is natural.
Yeah, that
So
looks
you
natural.
put some lip liner because
I actually don't have a lip liner. I guess now I'm just gonna put lipstick on, which like I think that this is a pretty natural looking color.
this is really important. You need to spray yourself with a finishing spray so that your natural pretty doesn't fall off.
Okay.
So this is my natural look, guys. Like I said, if you saw me on the street, you would totally not think that I was wearing any makeup. And that's good because it takes a lot of makeup.
I
to be
would.
natural.
It's true. Makeup can make you look very naturally pretty. I think Gabbie's natural makeup tutorial, I think she did a great job. I think her makeup looks super pretty. This was my attempt at following it and attempting to do a natural makeup tutorial. I feel like I look so tan right now. So yeah, that's how it came out. I don't think it came out too bad though. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, give this video a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. You can also press the bell icon if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video because I post pretty often. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!